Previously on Maddie's Glam Life, I shared with you all an amazing antioxidant smoothie that is going to help you with improving your body in every way, shape, and form. You guys, this is absolutely amazing, and if you are someone who is on a health journey right now, make sure that you check out this video because this will be extremely beneficial to you. And let's get right into today's video. Today we are going to be discussing this Haven 3-in-1 EMS body slimming machine. This is said to be able to help to fight against belly fat, and you guys, I am super duper excited to share this with you all. I am going to be sharing with you all whether or not this works, but first and foremost, I'm going to start by unboxing this item with you guys so that you all can see exactly how it comes. Now this is the box that you will receive your device in. You guys, this box has been sitting around for a while because I have been needing to make this video for the longest and I'm just now getting around to it. So I'm going to simply unbox this. Now as you open it, of course there's a small tab on the back that you can just pull, and then you can pull the rest of everything else that comes in the box right on out. Now, one of the first things that you are going to find on top is your instructions, of course. This is going to tell you exactly how to use this device. Now, basically, this device is advertised as something that you can use for getting smaller arms, legs, slimming out that waistline, your back, your belly, your buttocks, or shaping your face a little bit better. This device advertises all of those things. But all in all, it is mostly a massage device. So we're trying it out on today to see why do they share all of this extra information saying that it can work for this, it can work for that, it can work for this, but it's also a massage device. Today we're going to be finding out. Now you guys, this is what you will charge your device with, so you definitely want to make sure that you keep up with this. Moving right along, the next thing that you're going to pull out of your box is something that they refer to as the white wire connect machine. This is what you are going to place your pads onto and place this at the bottom of your tummy. And these are those pads that you are going to connect to that wire that I shared with you guys previously. And last but not least, the star of the show, the device that is supposed to transform your tummy and pretty much your whole entire body according to the instructions that are listed. Now, today I'm going to be using this specifically on my tummy. I'm going to be sharing with you guys whether or not it works. Now, this is not a full tutorial on how to use this device, but I will be sharing with you guys footage of me using this device and also whether or not it works. And if you guys would like to see a little bit more in depth exactly how to use it, then just let me know that down below. So let's get right into me using this body machine and whether or not it works. Now, as you guys know, your girl takes pride in her midsection, but sometimes I can overeat, and I also hate doing ab workouts or any type of workouts for my midsection. So if this device works, honey, it is going to be something that I'm going to use on the day-to-day basis. The two things that I will be using along with this device is the Slim Extreme 4D Professional Intensely Slimming Remodeling Serum. Now you do need something like this, so make sure that you either head over to Amazon and get you one of these slimming lotions and or to your local store, because these are definitely needed if you are going to use this device. Now I'm also going to be using the Absonic Conductive Gel for ab stimulators. I will leave these two listed down below for you guys. Now you guys, I did apply both of those slimming lotions first before I applied this device on my tummy. And you guys, all that you simply want to do is just massage it on your tummy. Now this is supposed to help to fight against some of that belly fat, but more so than anything, it is simply a massage device. So make sure that you keep that in mind. And it is almost time for us to get to the verdict. Who is ready for the verdict of whether or not this device actually works? Make sure that you stay tuned, and hey, if you're interested in a full tutorial on how to use this, request it down below. Now we are on to the highly anticipated question for this video, and that is, does it work? Now you guys, I would say more so than anything, this is simply a massage device. That is what it works for, and you guys know that 100% you are going to get a good massage if you use this device, okay? It may not be like a professional massage, but it's going to be a pretty decent massage. Now when it comes to removing belly fat, I don't think that this is the device that you want to use for that. Now, if you are someone who is on the slimmer side, like you don't have much belly, then you might be all right with just a little bit of this, okay, and using the EMS patches that they supply in the box. But if you're someone who is on the larger side and you have a significant amount of belly fat, you might want to look the other way when it comes to this device. In fact, with most of the reviews that I've read on this product, for most people it did not work. Especially if you're someone who is just not willing to work out at all and expecting drastic results from simply using a device. I don't think that this is the device for you. But if you want something to make you feel good, to make you feel relaxed, and to also sort of kind of help with reducing some belly fat, then you might want to check this out. So does it work? Barely, but it is beneficial if you want a nice massage and if you don't have much belly fat in order for it to try to fight against. Now what I would recommend is that you guys do check out these slimming gels down below, because these are going to help you out, especially if you're on a waist training journey and you're doing the saran wrap technique along with your waist trainer. These are going to be absolutely amazing for seeing great results. But nonetheless, that is it for this video, you guys. Everything mentioned in this video, you can find it down below in the description box. Let me know what you think about this device. Your girl is on the lookout day and night for something amazing that truly works that I can share with my Glam fam. So the least that you guys can do for me is go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave your girl some stars down below if you are still watching. I want to thank you guys so much for your constant support and love, and I will see you guys in my next video. Always remember to keep glamming. Bye.